Hello everyone. This is your instruction video regarding how to make an appointment with tutoring services. So I'm going to share the screen. And the first slide, which you will be receiving in your email with this recording, is you go to my.ccc.edu. Sign in with your username and password, and then select Navigate over here. To navigate, you have all these other icons as well, but you want to select Navigate. And so you will select that, and then of course you will go to the next page, which is to schedule an appointment. Over here in the lower, on the blue, in the upper right-hand corner, you will see schedule an appointment. Choose schedule an appointment, and then you want to do number 1, which is to select tutoring. So you will select that drop-down arrow and you will go to tutoring. And then you will select the drop-down arrow after the tutoring, and you will select academic writing services, and then you will go to the lower right and click next. You go to the next page. It will bring you to what location do you prefer. I'm suggesting you go to online academic support at Wright College. So you choose Wright Tutoring. However, there is the Reading and Writing Center over at Truman. You're welcome to go there if you cannot find a scheduled time and date that works for you. Don't feel limited in any way. And then, of course, you can choose any staff, or if there is a tutor that you are aware of or that you know about, you can also choose that. Then you click next, and then you go, you will now get to the appointment page, and you want to select the date and time that you are available. Also, in the lower section of this page, you will see that you can go to drop-in. There are drop-in times where you don't need an appointment, and you can select view drop-in times in the lower ribbon there that's highlighted in yellow or kind of a gold highlight. Select that and look for the drop-in times. And if you're able to come during a drop-in time, make sure you have your essay online with you so that you can share the screen in Zoom and see your essay. Once you make the appointment, all of the information about joining your meeting, making your appointment in Zoom, meeting your tutor, and all of that will be provided. I hope that this has been very helpful, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, although this particular YouTube is unlisted. You would need to have a link, but please subscribe to my YouTube channel because I have other videos that give you more information about the student services and things like that.